And welcome back to my channel, Style for Life. Today I'm going to be doing a short unboxing of some items that I recently picked up from Malone, and I'm so excited about these lovely items. I did get also some gifts with them. If you purchase, I think 125, you get a little miniature fragrances of lime and neroli, peony blush and suede, and another one. So I'm so happy that I was able to get these during the gift time. And the first item that I picked up came in this beautiful Malone box. Of course, it came with the gross grain ribbon. I did have to check to make sure that, since of course it's glass, and nothing was broken or chipped. And the first item is this beautiful fragrance by Malone. It is called Velvet Rose and Oud. It smells very, very, very beautiful. It's like a grown-up rose scent. If you love rose, you would absolutely love this fragrance. The intensity smells really good when you spray it on, and it lasts about 2 or 3 hours. It says cologne intense, so it's not really a strong perfume, but it will last a couple hours. You may have to reapply it during the day to make it last longer, but it smells absolutely divine. I first saw this on Amaya at Home's channel, where she showcased this and she raved so much about it that I decided to get it, especially now that they were giving a gift, and I'm so happy I did. It smells absolutely wonderful. Just a really lovely, lovely scent. I simply love it. Just a really sexy rose scent that's very deep and rich. You know what I mean? Like it has, I don't know, like a musk with the, I guess that's what the oud is, and the rose. So it's very flowery, yet it's very sultry at the same time. So a very, very nice fragrance. I'm happy I picked this up. So with this purchase, I got this little gift. Inside, it has peony and blush suede cream, little cream here to touch up, and then it also came with a miniature lime and neroli perfume, and lime and basil perfume. So that's what's in this little goodie bag, and I'm so happy because the sizes are very convenient for travel. And you can just pop this in your pochette and go to freshen up during the day. So I'm very happy that I have those little goodies. And the next one came in this big box. Sorry, this big box here, and it had the ribbon. And I'm going to carefully open it so I don't break anything. But with this, I just love this. With this, in this box rather, I bought the Velvet Rose and Oud candle, and I can't wait to use this one for the holidays. So that's what that one looks like. I haven't opened it as yet, as you can see, because I'm waiting to use it during the holidays. So that's what that looks like. And I also bought a travel of the red roses. I wanted to make sure that I really love the red roses before I bought a big bottle. So this is the travel size candle. This was $35, so I'm going to burn this one in my bedroom to see how I love it and to see how fragrant and how much the throw is. So this is red roses, and this one is, not to get confused, velvet rose and oud, and this one comes in a of course you can see the black container. So there we have it. And with this one, I also purchased the English Mint and Ginger Lip Care. So this is like a lip balm. I really want something moisturizing to take care of my lips during the winter, because I tend to have, you know, little dry lips and cracked lips. So I saw that this got like 5 stars on the Nordstrom website, so I decided to pick this up, and I believe this was $30. If I didn't tell you the price for the candle, I think it was, is it $95 or $85? But I will, excuse me, I would let you know below how much the candle was for, but I want to say it was 90 or around that area. And then with this, I also received another gift goodie bag that has the creams and a couple of the perfumes. I think it's lime and neroli as well. And let me see here. basil and neroli, and I think it also has the peony blush and suede and another perfume. I haven't opened this one yet either because I have two of them, so there was no need for me to open both. So this will be a nice little stocking stuffer for a friend that likes Joe Malone. I sent one already to my cousin in London because she loves Joe Malone. So they make really wonderful gifts. So those are my new purchases from Joe Malone, the perfume and the candle and the travel candle. I will let you know how these burn and how fragrant they are when I do an update video in the next coming months. So thank you so much for joining me today. I'm just very happy with my new purchases. I just can't wait to try these. Am I turning it the right way? Try these out, and I am just thrilled. So thank you, and thanks to Amaya at Home for showcasing these on her channel recently. We'll see how they turn out, but I'm very pleased right now. This one just smells really good since I just sprayed it. So I'm very happy that at least it lasts a couple hours. So I'm very pleased with that. All right. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. You have a blessed day, and we'll chat again soon. Bye-bye.